Okay, can I start recording now?
Yes, please go ahead.
So, Mr. Anas, thank you. I'm very happy to meet you. I must tell you, my friends and I in our group chat was always use gift from Key and Peele. The town hall sketch where you were in the audience is just perfect. The way your character get confused every time is classic. Your work is very important to us.
Yeah. Thank you. Wow, that is actually great to hear. Thank you. That character was so much fun to play. I think everyone feels like that sometimes, they just want to stand up and say exactly what they're actually feeling.
Exactly. And I'm very interested in the reason why you do things.
And I like that. I'm happy to be here. When I read your project's idea, I feel yeah, you have same real passion for this.
Yes, that is right. Because your story is one of the most interesting story. So if you're ready, I want to start.
Yeah, sure, let's go.
Okay, so comedy and horror. I know you want to say that they are very similar, but I want to know how you feel it. When you are writing a funny sketch or a story, did you ever think, if I change this a little, it can be very scary?
That is a good question, and yes, I thought about it all the time. Both are surprising the audience. It is like a magic trick. In comedy, I make you look at my left hand, you watch it, and then bam, the joke comes from my right hand. It is a surprise, and you laughed.
I see, so the surprise make you laugh. How is it the same in horror?
In horror, it is the same magic trick. I make you look at my left hand, you watch it, and you know something will happen, but you just don't know what or when.
So our minds create the fear from that feeling.
Yes, your own mind starts to imagine scary things. The feeling of tension get bigger and bigger, and when the climax happens and you can release that feeling, one makes you laugh, one makes you scream, but the way to make them is the same.
That is very smart. You use what we expect to surprise us. And think about Get Out. The scary part is not a monster. It is the small, awkward things people say. Like when the father says, I would have fought for Obama for the third time. That is the unique. It is funny, but it's also very nervous feeling.
Yes, that's it. That's the perfect spot. You understand it, that line should make you laugh, but also feel uncomfortable, so it feels real.
And was it making it like a real challenge for you?
Yeah, it was the biggest challenge, When I showed the script for Get Out to people, like they were actually confused, but in a polite way.
Because you're the comedy guy who want to try something in horror field.
Yeah, people thought, oh, this is a nice little project for him, but actually it was hard. People decide who you are, and it is hard for them to see you in a new way, but that was the challenge from the outside. The challenge inside my head, but that was actually the real problem.
The feeling of having all the responsibility?
Yeah, for sure. As an actor, you are one painter. You have a canvas and you paint your part well.
But as a director, you have to do everything, right?
Yeah, as a writer and director, you must build the whole museum, prepare the canvas, and tell everyone how to paint. It is a very heavy feeling. You are always afraid you will do it wrong, but it is also the best feeling in the world when you finish and people can see what you have made.
Wow, that was very good. And for my last questions, let's think about new writers who will watch this video. Uh, Imagine they have like special talents to do things, but they don't know how to build their own production house yet. What is one good piece of advice for you?
Find your team.
Your team? I like that.
Yes, your own voice is very important, but it is your special power. Take care of it, but no one can build a museum alone.
Because making movies is a team job, right?
It is. My company, Monkey Paw, it's not just me. It's a big team of smart and super creative people I trust, so you must find your people. Find a director who understands your strange script, and find a producer who will fight for it.
And you can build something new with them?
Yeah, make things together and make mistakes together. Your team is your support. They help you start. If you build your team, you can build anything. That is the most important thing.
That is incredible advice. Thank you. A perfect final thought for this video. Anas, thank you very much for this session. This was better than I hoped for.
It was my pleasure, Hikmal. You asked good question. I am excited to see your biography project. Keep that passion, man.
Thank you. I will.